Hi, in this video, I'll explain how to send WhatsApp messages when an entry is added or edited in a Google Sheet. First, open a Google Sheet and create a new sheet. Then, add your headers for the data. Once you've set up the sheet, go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and search for XpressBot. Click Install, and it will prompt you to sign in. Once you sign in, refresh the sheet to ensure the add-on is installed properly. After installation, go to Webhook Integration and configure the webhook URL. Enter the webhook URL from XpressBot and specify the column name that should trigger the update. For example, if you enter status, the system will send the data to the webhook whenever this column is modified or a new entry is added. Next, log in to XpressBot. Navigate to the webhook section and create a new webhook for your sheet. Select a template and it will generate a webhook URL. Copy this URL and paste it into the webhook configuration in your Google Sheet. Click Save to apply the settings. Once saved, you can test the setup by modifying a row in your Google Sheet. When a change is made, the updated row details, including all the column data, will be sent to the webhook URL configured in XpressBot. In the webhook setup inside XpressBot, you need to assign specific columns for your WhatsApp message variables, such as the recipient's phone number, message content, or any other dynamic fields you want to use. After mapping the columns correctly, click Save to finalize the setup. Once this is done, every time an entry is added or modified in the sheet, the corresponding data will be sent to XpressBot, triggering an automated WhatsApp message based on the mapped values. This ensures a smooth and instant messaging workflow without manual intervention.